Okay guys, this is before the video starts. I think I'm going to put it in there. I just want to say, my new upload schedule, I think I told you this in an earlier video, I don't know, but just to tell you, on Saturday I'll be doing the FC vlog, Sunday a review, today I'm reviewing this, and then probably on Wednesday, every Wednesday, I'll be doing another review on one of these, so not this one though. I might, this is one of the last ones I've got to do. I think I've got a Hulk one, and then I'm done with these DC comics and like Marvel Mighty Micros, like Batman, Superman and stuff. There is a Superman one actually, which I've not got yet. Well, I have got it, but you're not allowed to see that. Yeah, so just saying that, my new upload schedule, Saturday, vlog, review on Sunday, and obviously another review on Wednesday, so yeah. Yo guys, new video day, we are unboxing this, the Batman versus Catwoman, I think it's Batwoman, versus Catwoman, and from looking at it, it looks really cool, because her car's got a tail, that's how you know it's cool. So if you look on the back, it shows the other ones. I've got all these, but I don't think I've uploaded. I might have uploaded all these by the time you're watching this. I don't actually know. And then it says it in different languages and all that. So we've got a cool picture of Batman, the mini Batman. So anyway, I've got a cut finger, by the way. So if I'm going a bit slower, then well, you're gonna see it speeded up. So you don't really need to be bold, but I'm going really slow. So yeah. Okay guys, we're going to start with Batwoman. Usually starts one of these pieces. We're going to start with Batwoman, so yeah. Okay guys, I've done Catwoman now. Oops, hit the camera. Batgirl. This tail's not actually attached to it, it's on the car, which I think is really cool. She's got a spoiler, little like engine, I think. No, not engine. I don't know. I don't know. This is like, it looks like it's got lights on it. Oh no, it looks like a little cat with eyes. If you can see that, it looks like a little cat with eyes. Wheels drive fine. And yeah, let's take a look. Okay guys, let's take a look at Catwoman. She's got her diamond, because she like steals stuff. She's got this, let's see, don't know what it's meant to be. I'll have a look what it's actually meant to be. But let's just take those off. Got a mask. I'm not revealing her identity. Even though like if you like Batman you probably know who she is. Got a belt with her little cat logo on. The zip on her outfit. Yeah, overall, oh, she's also got the ears, pointy ears like Batman. Overall, she's like a really cool character, I think, because she steals diamonds. Yeah, I think she's really cool myself. So yeah, let's go Batman. Oh yeah, guys, this is meant to be milk. Okay guys, I built Batman now, there he is, and his mini Batmobile, I think, meant to be a mini Batmobile, because like, got the fire sticking out of the engine, got the logo and the headlights, don't know what that's actually meant to be. Inside you got the steering wheel, I always like showing the steering wheel, got the red light to like stop, I think. I don't know much about cars. Wheels, everything you need for a car, and obviously you need someone driving it, so you've got Batman. Yeah, Batman, I'm just going to actually show you him before I put him in. His head came off. We did not see anything. Batarang, he's got his cape, helmet on, well, like mask thing on that he puts on his head, logo, belt, and little tiny legs that are not on proper. Anyway, I'll show you both of them now once I put this back on, because it keeps on coming off and it's annoying me. both of them now. I'm going to put Batman in. Batman and Batwoman. Well, why do I keep calling Batwoman? Catwoman. I always get confused. Both of their logos. I think that's her logo. I don't know much about Catwoman. Yeah. If I would say which one's cooler, I think Catwoman just because she's got a carton of milk. I don't know why that's cool, but it just is for me. And he's got a tail on the back of a car. And Batman, he has got cool like flames coming out of his Batmobile. I think mini Batmobile anyway. But she's had to be. And she's got a diamond as well that she stole. And Batman's after her. Anyway, this is going to be the end of the video now. End of the video now. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment. Peace.